Now? It's my job? Okay. Welcome to the London to Edinburgh Challenge. Today, work. London to Edinburgh. 3 people. £100. 5 days. This is the London to Edinburgh Challenge!
I'm in the train station. I have 1 hour.
Fran, do you need more money?
No, thank you. Can I have another champagne, please?
Paula, do you need more money?
Yes, yes, yes.
Bob, do you need more money?
Yes, please. But how?
Bob and Paula can work for more money. The options for Bob are chef and shop assistant. So, Bob, chef or shop assistant? What can you do?
I need more money. But chef or shop assistant? Shop assistant? I can't do maths. I don't like numbers. Chef. I love food. I can cook.
The options for Paula are farmer or receptionist. So, Paula, farmer or receptionist? What can you do?
Receptionist? I don't like computers. I can't do it. Farmer? I love animals. I can work on a farm.
Can you make this?
Yes, I can. Today, I'm a chef. Ugh. I can't cook. This is horrible.
I don't. This is horrible. I can't do it. I like animals, but I don't like this.
Oh, it's Paula. Hi, Paula. You're a farmer. Do you like it?
This is horrible. I can't do it. I like animals, but I don't like this.
It's okay. Here's your money. £75.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, £75. Thank you.
So, Bob and Paula work because they need more money.
Can you make this?
Yes, I can. Today, I'm a chef. I can't cook. This is horrible.
Paula works as a farmer.
I love animals. I can work on a farm. This is horrible. I can't do it.
Next time on the London to Edinburgh Challenge.
Hi!